Let's go across to Sunita Nagpal and get a quick perspective on what to expect from Idea's numbers. Sunita.
Well, we are expecting the revenues to grow by 5.6% sequentially this quarter, and largely on back of the volume growth. We are expecting traffic minutes to grow by roughly about 5.6% in this quarter. Remember, last quarter also they saw a substantial gain of roughly about 7.6%. So we are expecting that momentum to continue for Idea. Even their subscriber addition was very strong in this quarter, so that will be reflected as far as revenues are concerned. Margins are expected to come slightly down from 26.7% to roughly about 26.3%. That's largely because some of the costs are expected to go up. But what we are expecting is that the RPMs will marginally improve. Minutes of users is expected to improve by 1 minute. We are expecting it to come at 370 minutes versus 369 that posted in Q3. Margins will be lower by 30 basis point, as I mentioned, but the net profit is expected to grow by roughly about 22.5%, largely on back of the forex fluctuation. We are expecting a forex gain of roughly about 10 crores in this quarter versus a loss of 31 crore they had booked in Q3. So that will basically lead to the net profit growing much higher than the top line growth, but top line growth of 5.6% is not bad. But what we need to watch out is if there is any kind of impact the company is seeing because of licenses being cancelled in some of their circles. So that we would want to hear from the management. Also, what they are expecting from the auction, where the reserve price are very, very steep, and whether they can arrange for those funds for auction. So these are the things we'll be watching out from management commentary.